All right, let's go across, as always, during the evenings of the Republic Day to the Atari Wagah border, because that's where the beating retreat ceremony is currently on. It's in the last leg. And let's stay on with the highlights that are coming in. As always, you can see the Border Security Force and the Pakistan Rangers there on both sides. And let's dip into the visuals, the Josh, specifically on the Indian side, with the slogans of Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. The Border Security Force, Jawans and the Pakistan Rangers as well. The Josh, the aggression, the assertiveness for our border to be kept safe as always. This beating retreat ceremony held at the Atari Wagah border, which is near Amritsar, as you can see, with the 74th Republic Day celebrations, gains more significance today, more Josh, and the people with their loud cheer. Thousands of people, we are told, are currently at this location right now. So since 1959, this ceremony has been on. It's a daily military drill for India's Border Security Force and Pak Rangers. And in many ways, it was always also a low-key occasion. But now it has, of course, reached to another level of excitement.
सम्मान में अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए। साथ ही इस दौरान शांति बनाए रखें तथा किसी भी नारे आदि का प्रयोग न करें। वे निश्चित सुवर्णित हैं, उनसे निवेदन है कि वे राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सैल्यूट दें। अब आप मेरे साथ 3 बार
So those who've been at this location and have witnessed this ceremony will tell you this is once in a lifetime experience. It's no less spellbinding. It's a theatrical play in many ways. It's an occasion to assert how our Jawans stand for our borders to be kept safe, how people stand in support. So a show of national pride, but also in many ways a source of entertainment too for people visiting Amritsar. And this visit to the border is most crucial and a prerequisite if you're visiting the border city of Amritsar. And just to reiterate for our viewers, why is it called the Atari Wagah border? Because it is the Atari village, which is in India. The Wagah is a village in Pakistan en route Lahore. That's why the Atari Wagah border, where people can cross with legal permits en route too. Just listening to the cheer and the enthusiasm of people and cheering constantly for our Jawans. During the beating retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border, with the salute currently on by our people and of course our Jawans serving this nation. Ceremony is as the sun sets. The iron gate at the border are opened. The two flags, as you just saw, are lowered simultaneously. Flags are folded with due respect, and then the ceremony ends. It's a retreat that involves then a handshake too between the soldiers from both sides, and then the gates are shut again. So a daily evening military drill exercise. Right behind you, you're looking at a space of more than 20,000 spectators, and it's always jam-packed. There are also tickets that are sold that can be bought, and it's not just about the Indian spectators, remember. People from across the world come and sit on the Indian side to witness the Josh. Take a look at this. We're talking about more than 20,000 spectators who ensure that they trickle in and take every seat possible. So this is the closing ceremony that we are looking at. A chest-puffing theatrical display by the Border Security Force Jawans of the Pakistan Rangers. with that, the gates are shut for another evening when the gates will be opened again and the flags will be lowered. This is the closing leg of the beating retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border. Remember, the soldiers that you're looking at are specifically appointed and trained for this auspicious ceremony. So there is a policy by which they are appointed, trained in a specific manner. Specifically, remember, the manner in which the legs are hoisted up and then back by our border security force.
सभी दर्शकों से निवेदन है कि वे सब जयंती द्वार के रास्ते जेसीबी अडारी परिसर से शांतिपूर्वक प्रस्थान करें। साथ ही अपने बच्चे, बुजुर्गों एवं
As unlike many would think, it's not just about rivalry that the ceremony represents. It's also a display of brotherhood, cooperation between the two nations with a handshake before the doors are shut again. We are two nations, and specifically with Pakistan, the manner in which it interferes with India. There have been disruptions with the ceremony earlier too. But now you see that glimpse of the border security force Jawans who performed that theatrical play, and the gates are shut. That's the Atari Wagah border ceremony.